In this module, we're going to take the sound we created in the last module a little bit further, initially by adding some sub-frequencies to it. So here's what we got. So all I have to do to add these bass frequencies is turn on the subsection. And if you want to hear what's actually going on there, you can turn off both oscillators if you like. So we're getting a kind of sine wave, which it could maybe be a bit lower. At the moment it's set to -1, so 1 octave below the played pitch. Meaning it's actually an octave higher than this one, which we've tuned down 24 semitones, so it's the same as oscillator 2 here. So probably want to bring it down to this one. Yeah, so that's sounding like it's nicely sitting under oscillator 1 now. If you want though, you could turn it up a little bit using the gain amount here. And also use the tone amount here to bring in some higher harmonics on this too, so it'll stop being a sine wave and become a bit closer to a sawtooth waveform. But I want to keep it nice and clean, and I think, yeah, around -6 should be good for that. One thing I will do though is change the amplitude envelope of the sub, because if we listen to it like this, it kind of rings out just a little bit longer than I'd like. So what I can do is I can actually change the gain amount here so that it becomes active down in our matrix, and then I can turn up amp there. And you can hear it's much snappier now compared to yeah, so that's sounding about right. If you want to, you can open up and just add spectrum to the end of the chain there. And then you can keep an eye on the sub area when I turn the sub on and off and see just how dramatic a difference it makes. So we're looking at around there compared to yeah, it's gone from -21.6 to about -17 on that lower frequency sort of fundamental down there.